from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
TSA officers protest at Richmond International Airport, and the latest in our series about refugees in Henrico County. We'll tell you about those stories and others in today's Henrico News Minute. It's Friday, April 11th, 2025. Rain all day today, going up to a high of 60. The News Minute is brought to you today by American Community Insurance Agency.
And now for the news.
On Wednesday, a group of TSA officers protested at Richmond International Airport over the federal government's decision to strip them of key workplace protections, warning that air travel in Virginia could face growing strain as a result. While operations remained steady during the demonstration, officers cautioned that the rollback could undermine safety and staffing at security checkpoints statewide. The protest was sparked by a move from the Department of Homeland Security to terminate the collective bargaining agreement that had allowed TSA officers to negotiate over working conditions, a significant shift in how the agency interacts with its employees. The officers say that the loss of those rights now has left them more vulnerable and less able to speak up on issues that directly affect passenger safety and operational efficiency. You can read much more about this topic right now on our website from our partners at Virginia Mercury. Also on HenricoCitizen.com right now, the third part in our ongoing series, Henrico, County of Refuge, examining the impact of nonprofit organizations that are working with many refugees in Henrico County. Today's feature profiles an Afghan native who uses art to express the emotional lows and highs of her journey to Virginia. You won't want to miss this piece. Check it out right now on our website. And the Bazaar Bazaar's 33rd Spring Market returns to Richmond Raceway Complex today, tomorrow, and Sunday. The hours are 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. today, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. tomorrow, and 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. on Sunday. Two of the exhibition buildings at the Raceway will feature vendors selling a variety of unique gifts, gourmet foods, fine arts and crafts, decorative accessories for the home and garden, and much more. For details, you can visit thebazaarbazaar.com. That's TheBizarreBazaar.com. And tomorrow, Henrico Recreation and Parks will present Mountain Film on Tour 2025 at Dory Park. Mountain Film is an organization and festival of films about people, stories, and ideas that celebrate the spirit of the environment. It's held each year in Telluride, Colorado, bringing together legendary mountaineers, environmentalists, filmmakers, authors, scientists, and artists. The event at Dory runs from 4 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. The movie will begin shortly after sunset. There also will be outdoor activities and live music and vendors. You can bring a chair or blanket. Concessions will be available for purchase, and admission is free. And once again, it's Friday. That means you can find our weekend top 5, a list of 5 great things happening around the county today, tomorrow, and Sunday, as well as our weekly restaurant watch with a list of recent health inspection reports for some of your favorite spots around town. Check both of those out and hope you make it a great weekend. Today's Henrico News Minute has been brought to you by American Community Insurance Agency. Independent, local, expert. ACIA is Henrico's new go-to resource for business insurance and employee benefits. Whether you're a long-established business or an entrepreneurial startup, they can help you find the right coverage and save money on your premiums. Contact them at 804-999-6797 or visit AmericanCommunityInsurance.com.